This is not one of the other voice AI agent use cases that I have covered in this channel. This is a voice AI agent system where we will implement two voice AI agents work together as a team for a pizza shop. So let me first actually show you the demo, and then we will talk about the technicalities or the code deep dive later part of the video. So let's go ahead to my screen and share you the demo. This is the normal version of the AI team agent. Let's see how that works. Okay, so this is for the Pizza Palace. So let's start the call.
Thank you for calling Pizza Palace. This is Pizza Palace Order Assistant. How can I help you tonight?
Hey, I was looking to put a pizza order.
We'd be happy to help you with that. What kind of pizza are you in the mood for tonight? We've got classics like our Margarita or Pepperoni Passion, or if you're feeling adventurous, you could try our Supreme or Veggie Delight. Which one sounds good to you?
Do you have anything like in chicken?
We've got a BBQ chicken pizza that's really popular. It's got grilled chicken, barbecue sauce, and melted mozzarella cheese. We offer it in
That's really
small
nice.
meat.
Can I have like a medium BBQ chicken pizza, please?
I can put that in for you. So to confirm, I've got a medium BBQ chicken pizza that's $17.99. Would you like to add any extra toppings to that, or is that good as is?
What toppings do you have?
We've got a variety of toppings to choose from. For meats, we've got pepperoni, sausage, bacon, and ham. For veggies, we've got mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, olives, and pineapple.
That's fine. Let's go with a pepperoni, please, and please add a Coke as well to the order.
I can add pepperoni to your medium BBQ chicken pizza. That's an extra $2. And I can also grab a Coke for you. That's $2.49. So your total comes out to be $22.48. I just need to confirm your delivery address. Can you please tell me where you'd like me to send your order?
Yeah, it is 123 London Road, E7 123.
I've got your address as 123 London Road, E7 123. I'm going to go ahead and put that order in for you. Your order number is 1234. We'll get that medium BBQ chicken pizza with pepperoni and a Coke delivered to you shortly. Thank you for choosing Pizza Palace. And we hope you...
So that was the normal agent putting an order. Now let's see how it handles a customer frustration.
Thank you for calling Pizza Palace. This is Pizza Palace Order Assistant. How can I didn't quite catch that. Could you please repeat your order or tell me what you're looking for tonight? We've got a wide range.
I actually put an order some time back. The order number is 4321, but that order didn't get delivered yet.
I apologize for the inconvenience. Let me check on the status of your order, number 4321. Can you please confirm the address it was supposed to be delivered to and the estimated delivery time you were given?
That's 123 London Road, E7 123.
I've located your order, number 4321, to be delivered to 123 London Road, E7 123. It looks like there's been a delay in delivery. I'm going to go ahead and escalate this issue to my manager so we can get your order to you as soon as possible.
I apologize for the inconvenience, and I'm going to go ahead and escalate this issue to my manager. We'll get your order delivered to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, I'd like to offer you a partial refund for the delay. Would you like to proceed with that?
Yeah, sure.
I apologize again for the delay. I'm going to go ahead and process a partial refund for you. You will receive a refund of half the order value. Additionally, I'd like to offer you a free side of garlic breadsticks with your order when it's delivered.
Okay, thank you. So, as you can see the issue, I have given it a wrong order number, but it had still processed the order or the refund. And this is essentially an issue with any AI-based agents or any AI tool in a way, because all AI tools are meant to help humans or the request. So that is why it didn't even actually bother to check about the order ID or anything. So now what we'll do, we will improve this AI agent and we'll run the improved version of it.
Thank you for calling Pizza Palace. How can I help you tonight?
Hey, I want to put a medium barbecue chicken pizza with a Coke order, please.
So, I've got a medium barbecue chicken pizza and a Coke. Is that right? And would you like any extra toppings on that pizza, or is it just...
No, that's all. Thank you.
I just need to confirm a few details. Your medium barbecue chicken pizza is $17.99 and the Coke is $2.49. So your total comes out to be $20.48. Would you like to pick it up or have it delivered? And if it's
I
delivery,
need it
can
to
you...
be delivered, please, and the address is 123 London Road, E7123.
I've got your delivery address as 123 London Road, E7123. I'm just going to go ahead and put that order in for you. Can you please hold for just a moment?
Sure.
Your order has been successfully placed. Your order number is 1104. We'll get that medium. Barbecue chicken pizza and Coke delivered to 123 London Road, E7123 as soon as
Thank you.
possible.
Bye. So now that we have got a proper order number, let's see how now it handles a customer frustration.
Thank you for calling Pizza Palace. How can I help you tonight?
Hey, I actually put an order some time back, but it didn't got delivered yet. I want a refund.
So sorry to hear that your order didn't get delivered yet. Can you please tell me your order number so I can look into this for you?
It's 1234.
Let me check that for you. Can you also tell me a little bit more about your order, what you had ordered, and when you placed it? This will
It
help me
was
assist you
a
better.
chicken barbecue pizza.
I've located your order, number 1234. It looks like there was an issue with the delivery. I'm going to go ahead and check on the status of your refund. Can you please confirm that you would like to cancel the order and receive a full refund?
Yes.
I'm going to go ahead and process the refund for you. However, I want to make sure that I've done everything I can to help. Let me check a few more things. Can you please hold for just a moment?
Yep.
I apologize, but I cannot locate this order in our system. Could you please verify the order number?
It's 1234.
I've checked again, and it seems that the order number 1234 is not found in our system. I apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused. Can you please double-check the order number or provide more details about your order, such as the date it was placed or the payment method used? This will help me assist you further.
Oh, I think actually I remember. The order number is 1104.
I've located your order number 1104. It looks like there was an issue with the delivery. I'm going to go ahead and process the refund for you. I've approved your refund for order 1104. The refund will be processed according to your original payment method.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad.
So as you can see, this time with 1234 order, it was not actually issued me any refund. In fact, when it didn't find the details of that order, it immediately transferred that call to its manager. So it was much intelligent. It was doing much more check before it actually escalates stuff to its manager. And manager was also doing the verification and to ensure that the refund is only processed if an order is actually found in the system. So that was it. I think what I'm gonna do as well is probably just try and see if it's able to do me a double refund. So let's try that.
Thank you for calling Pizza Palace. How can I help you tonight?
Hey, you know what? The order that I have placed, the pizza, it got delivered, but that pizza had glass in it. I'm so shocked.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that. Glass in your pizza is completely unacceptable. Can you please tell me your order number so I can look into this for you?
That's 1104.
Let me check that for you. Pause. I've located your order. I'm going to go ahead and document this incident. Can you please tell me more about what happened when you opened the pizza and found the glass? And have you
Yes.
spoken to... I'm so sorry again for the incident. I'm going to go ahead and escalate this issue to my manager so we can take care of it for you right away. Can you please hold for just a moment while I get my manager on the line? They'll be able to assist you further.
I apologize again for the incident with your pizza. I have escalated the issue to my manager and they will be able to assist you further. Please hold for just a moment while they review the situation. In the meantime, I want to assure you that we take food safety very seriously, and this incident is being thoroughly investigated. We will do our best to prevent such incidents in the future. My manager will be with you shortly to discuss the next steps and provide a resolution. Thank you for your patience and understanding. Now, I will check the status of your order. I've checked on the status of your order, and it appears that it was delivered to you. I see that you had ordered a barbecue chicken pizza and a Coke. I want to assure you that we are taking this incident very seriously and are investigating how this happened. Now, I would like to offer you a refund for your order. We will
Yeah, sure.
process.
I would like to have full refund, please.
I've gone ahead and processed a refund for your order. You should receive the refund according to your original payment method. If you have
So as you can see, this system can still be exploited. And this is what, when you are creating any kind of AI agent system, you need to think of this kind of different edge case scenario and apply that in your voice AI agent system, because this is really, really the essential use cases that is going to set apart a normal AI voice agent and a proper production ready voice AI agent system. Now what we will do is we'll go to the code tutorial and we will talk about how we have done this order management system, how we have integrated it, how we have improved it, and what all technology that is being used under the hood. So let's go to the code base and let's explore this in detail. Now that you have seen the demo, please let me know in the comments if this kind of AI agents teaming up together is actually going to help in your business or not, because I really want to create this kind of voice AI agent system that is aligned to proper business use cases. I usually take a look at different AI example in the internet, improvise it for different business use cases that I think out of my own mind, but I really want to get these ideas validated. If you really think that this kind of voice AI agent system is the future of the AI industry, let me know in the comments. Or if you think otherwise, again, please let me know as well. And if you're here for the first time, I usually cover this kind of different voice AI agent system or multimodal AI agent use cases along with different AI SaaS development tutorial in this particular channel. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And in case you don't know, I have already created an one-pager website where I have captured all of my projects so far with the code and the tutorial for absolutely free. So go ahead, check out the link from the video description and check out all of these projects. I'm sure some of this project will definitely benefit you in your learning journey in this AI world. Now, this particular demo or this particular tutorial code will also be available here, and in the end probably it will replace this particular section, and this code will also be shared as well. Speaking of the code, now what we will do, we'll go ahead into the IDE and we will talk about the code that we have used to create this demo. Now we are inside our IDE, and here we have kept the code to be fair. And to be honest, this particular AI agent is actually inspired by this tutorial on this particular repository, which is given by Ultravox. I've literally cloned this repository and improvised it for this particular use case. So you can actually directly clone this particular repository as well. But even if you clone this repository, you won't be able to run it. And I'll actually show you why, what are other modifications that you need to do, even if you want to run this particular call status. Now, this main branch that you see is almost similar to what I have cloned it, but I've made some changes to it. If you have used Ultravox before, maybe by seeing the demo itself, you would have understood that this is powered up by Ultravox. Of course, if you're hearing about Ultravox first time, this is an open source speech-to-speech model that is already available, and it's one of the cheapest model as well, a replacement of OpenAI's real-time API. Although it is not a direct replacement because it is not that much intelligent in my opinion so far, but in different use cases, the voice responses are really fine-tuned. I believe the Ultravox team have done really good fine-tuning to make this AI agent actually used in a different customer support or different kind of voice AI agent use cases scenario. Whereas if you use OpenAI's real-time API, that is like a generic model, so you have to really be detailed about what you want to use those model. Your system prompt has to be really good so that it actually works better. Its responses are really better. Whereas if you use Ultravox, these are already fine-tuned. So that is why when you have seen the demo, the responses are really good. Now, enough talk about Ultravox and enough talk about OpenAI. Let's actually focus onto the code. Now, when you clone the core repository, what you will get is this final repository. In the final repository, they have kept these two root.ts. These are the actual API that is running in the behind. So this is not implemented. So that is why what you have to do is create an API folder inside the app. And there you have to actually create the just kind of copy and improve the root.ts based on your use cases. And similarly, you have this ultravox root.ts that was already there. This root.ts file is basically calling the API with the ultravox API key. That means you need to get an ultravox API key, which is absolutely free for 30 minutes. You can go ahead, register, and get a 30 minutes absolutely free to use that and basically test it. And then you also have demo-config.ts, which is what the primary Pizza Palace order assistant when it was speaking. So this is the Pizza Palace order assistant, and when it needs to escalate to manager, what we have done is we have created a tool for complaining. So whenever there is user complaining or user is frustrated, it is using this escalate to manager tool to call that particular agent. This is also called as call stages. Of course, this is not a call stage in true sense, because in call stage with WebRTC means we are able to actually identify different call stages that is happening, and based on that we call different tool. Whereas here what we are doing is we are giving the system prompt. We are saying, hey, use this particular tool whenever user is frustrated. Like here we have said use escalate to manager tool for complaints. Now that's not, as I said, a real call stage use cases. I am going to bring proper call stage tutorial later on in this channel. Another reason why you should subscribe to the channel. And again, very similar to this demo config.ts, there is this root.ts, which is where we have configured the Pizza Palace manager. And the Pizza Palace manager is basically there to track complaint details, monitor resolution offers, and all these bits. So as you can see, this is demo config.ts, and when this particular agent is speaking, it is using the voice of Mark. That is why you have heard the male voice, whereas the manager agent is using the voice of Jessica. And both this particular agent is using this ultravox root to actually make the communication. So that is what I wanted to make it clear. Otherwise the page is very simple. It's a one-pager app. So you have the page.tsx, which is where you have the front end. So that's why it is like use client, and it's using different components that's defined here. This particular code will be available in the video description with the link that I have shown you, the one-pager link. So please go ahead and check out this project. Now, the only special thing about this repository is when you check out this repository, it will have two branch. So unlike other tutorial, what I have done in this case, I created two branch. One is the main branch where you have this simple agent that we have demonstrated. And then if you want to use the improved agent, all you have to do is check out this improved branch, which is git checkout improved underscore agent branch. I will put that into the README file as well so that you can understand and you can go ahead and check out the project and test it. So when you check out the improved agent, what would happen is you would get some more API routes. For example, you have this order management route. And in this order management route, what we have basically done is we have used an SQLite database where basically whenever the demo agent likes or the primary assistant picking up the call and putting an order or processing any order, it is putting those order details into the database using this order management route API call. So that is why if you go to the demo config.ts, the only difference that you will see is we have added two different tools. One is the escalator manager, which is already pre-existing, and then we added the order manager tool. And this order manager tool can have three functions. Here we have only given two functions to the assistant agent, which is create an order and get order details. But we haven't given the issuing refund action to this particular agent because we want the manager to be able to do the refund issue. So that is why if you go to the manager escalation route, which is used for the manager agent, this is where it has get and update refund. So that means this manager is only be able to get it order details and update refund and all these ways, but you won't be able to actually create an order. To create order, it has to always call the other assistant to actually put an order. So that is how this entire design is made, and this is what we have also specified in the rule, that use the order management tool to get a verified order exists, and only if a verified order exists, then only you can issue a refund if such a situation occurs. And that is how the entire thing is working. There is nothing really crazy out there, but again, go ahead, check out the code, and maybe go through the code, and it will be really, really easy to understand. In any case, if you face issues in understanding the code, let me know in the comments as well, or maybe join to the community and raise a support thread there. Someone will definitely help you out. With that said, I'm going to end this video because this is what I really wanted to share as part of this video. If you have learned something new, or if you have got some really crazy idea by seeing this video, again, give it a thumbs up. When you give this video a like, I would know that you really are interested in this kind of tutorial. So I would bring more and more use cases and more these tutorials for you. And with that said, let me close up this one, and please take care, and I'll see you on to the next one. Bye.